In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and navigate your activity feed in Threads on iPhone. Let's get started by opening the Threads app on your iPhone. When the app loads, you'll land on your main feed where new posts and conversations appear. From here, we're going to move straight to the place that gathers your alerts and interactions so you can quickly see what's happening around your account. Look along the bottom of the screen for the heart icon. It sits in the navigation bar and represents your activity. Go ahead and tap the heart. This opens your activity feed, a dedicated space that pulls together all the interactions tied to your presence on Threads, so you don't need to hunt through your main feed to find them. Inside this activity view, you'll see a running list that includes follows, conversations, mentions, people you follow, and reposts. Think of it as your snapshot of everything that needs your attention. Follows appear when someone decides to keep up with your posts, making it easy to recognize new interest in your profile. Conversations represent replies and ongoing discussions connected to your posts, helping you jump right back into the thread where the exchange is happening. Mentions show up when someone tags your handle directly, ensuring you don't miss messages aimed at you. You'll also see activity related to people you follow, which helps you stay in the loop with accounts you care about. And reposts indicate when someone shares your post, a useful signal that something you shared is resonating. Each item in this list provides a clear preview, including who it involves and a short snippet of context, often with a timestamp so you can gauge how recent it is. This layout is designed to help you prioritize at a glance. Scan quickly to spot what's most important, then dive deeper when you're ready. When something catches your eye, tap that notification to view the related thread. You'll be taken directly to the conversation, where the original post sits at the top and the replies unfold beneath it. This makes it simple to follow the flow, see where your name was mentioned, and understand how the discussion evolved. Once you've reviewed the thread, you'll have the full context you need to keep track of your interactions without losing your place in the app. That's all there is to it. Open Threads, tap the heart at the bottom, review your activity feed, and tap any notification to jump straight into the related thread.